going to make a newsletter, but how do we make it? Let's find out. But first of all, why do we even write newsletters? Well, newsletters are most commonly written for business purposes, such as sales and online advertising. These newsletters are shared with their customers through email, thus the name email newsletters. However, the one we're going to make today is different. Our newsletter is a tool that can be used to share elaborate information on a specific subject. Since today is World Environment Day, let us make a newsletter on the same. Step 1. Pick a certain topic about which you will be writing information in your newsletter. Make sure your information is relevant to the topic. As mentioned before, the topic of our newsletter here is Environment Day. Step 2. Now you ought to research about your topic through various mediums such as the internet, newspapers, etc. Ensure that your content maintains brevity and provides sufficient information. Step 3. Now that you have your content ready, you need to start working on the template. Begin by finding the right template for your newsletter. A template which contains enough space to fill your content and insert certain pertinent images. Step 4. You are nearly there. Fill your content using proper grammatical and literary terms. Divide your content into paragraphs with suitable headings. Also insert relevant images to provide the viewers a better idea of your topic. Step 5. Let us do the finishing touch. Customize your font styles and make your newsletter attractive. Also ensure that you proofread the newsletter for any typo errors. Now your newsletter is ready to be shared with your viewers. Here is my newsletter that I made on Environment Day. The newsletter is informative and includes headings, pictures and some elements to give the newsletter a complete look. You can also make a newsletter. Thank you for watching.